Kublai Pibaro, Nagadudashin Generation Long Prians Happy Saisian, Chakaneka program, Kabawan Chapi Malakas new blade Nakabantaki KHUBOR like KAM, but KHUBOR like KAM Jaganakateo, Kilong Kumne. Ka Social Welfare Department Government of Meghalaya ka call application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardanjing puli wan pendap ye ka pose apo contract basis apo ka Child Protection Service East Giant Hills District Clearian ka post legal cum probation officer KAWEI ka posting kan long ha Child Protection Service East Giant Hills District Clearian karta ka babyang kan long ha padeng ka APPELLATE bat san post nem ka jingyo kan long APPELLATE jar shibnai Kiba apply ki ribbon long kiba lapandap ya ka graduation ha ka law dan kam ya ka experience ka balais nem ha ka child welfare activities lene ki applicant kiba nang batip shapang ki kam computer but kiba dan ya ka counseling skills ro ki laban apply ki candidate kiba dan ya ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli kin haban apply ha ka standard application form but pinpoy sha ka district social welfare office cleariat shwalani ha ka laitarik urisa October arhaja arpoar on pelong hika interview haga khatway tarik urisa October arhaja arpoar haga porkhandai bijim step ha deputy commissioner office conference hall clearian lakar pat hika applicant baro begin poi haga por pravajim step ban pendap hika registration shwaban sedang hika interview balakar pat hika applicant baro begin superscribe halor ka envelope hika kerteng post ka baki apply Ka Staff Selection Commission SSC ka call online application ha ka bide bat ki group B but group C post link ba ka SSC combined graduate level CGL examination jung stem arhaja arpoar ki post ki long ka post assistant audit officer ha Indian Audit and Accounts Department under CNAG ka post assistant accounts officer ha Indian Audit and Accounts Department under CNAG ka post assistant section officer ha Central Secretariat Service Post Assistant Section Officer ha Intelligence Bureau Department, Post Assistant Section Officer ha Railway Department, Post Assistant Section Officer ha External Affairs, Post Assistant Section Officer ha AFHQ, Post Assistant Section Officer ha Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Post Assistant ha Ministries in ki Department in ki Organization repair, Post Assistant Section Officer ha Ministries in a Department in a Organization repair, Post Inspector of Income Tax has CBDT, Post Inspector has CGST and Central Excise has CBIC Department, Post Inspector Preventive Officer has CBIC Department, Post Inspector Examiner has CBIC Department, Post Assistant Enforcement Officer has Directorate of Enforcement Department of Revenue, Post Sub Inspector has Central Bureau of Investigation, Post Inspector has Department of Post, Post Inspector has Central Bureau of Narcotics, Post Assistant List Superintendent ha Indian Coast Guard, Post Assistant ha Port Ministries in the Department and Organization repair, Post Assistant ha National Company Law Appellate Tribunal NCLAT, Post Research Assistant ha National Human Rights Commission NHRC, Post Divisional Accountant ha Office ha Port CNAG, Post Sub Inspector ha National Investigation Agency, Post Junior Statistical Officer ha Statistics and Program Implementation, Post Statistical Investigator Grade 2, Post Auditor ha Office of the CNAG, Post Auditor ha Ministries in the Department and Organization repair, Post Auditor ha Office of the CGDA, Post Accountant ha Office ha CNAG, Post Accountant and Junior Accountant ha Ministries in the Department and Organization repair, Post Senior Secretariat Assistant and Upper Division Clerk ha Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Post Senior Secretariat Assistant and Upper Division Clerk ha Ministries in the Department and Organization repair, Post Tax Assistant has CBDT, Post Tax Assistant has CBIC, but Post Sub Inspector has Central Bureau of Narcotics. Ki applicant ki ba apply ka post junior statistical ki de ban long ki ba lapandap ka bachelor's degree ne ki recognized university but ro ki ba yo ka marks ka ba 104% ha ka subject mathematics ha ka class 12 level lane ki candidate ki ba lapandap ka bachelor's degree le mat ka statistics kum KAWEI ne ki subject ha ka degree level ro ki laban apply but nakabanta ki wei ki post don kam tang ka bachelor's degree Ki candidate can have an apply tanglang baka online mode na kabalit siya ka website www.ssc.nic.in ka tarik haddo ban register online kan long haddo ka pratrik urisa October arhaja R4R. Ka GAIL India Limited ka khod online application na ki candidate ki badai ki nong shnong ka ri ki badan ru eka mon ba ka kadan jing puli ban pandap eka special recruitment drive post for SC, ST, OBC, NCL, PWBD candidates haki centers liniki units ki badan keleng ka jilla jangari bat ki post kilong. Post Manager Food and Supply Grade E3 KAWEI post, Post Manager Marketing Commodity Risk Management Grade E3 Artli post, Post Manager Marketing International LNG and Shipping Grade E3 Lightly post, Post Senior Engineer Mechanical Grade E2 Hundrutli post, Post Senior Engineer Electrical Grade E2 Lightly post, Post Senior Engineer Chemical Grade E2 Artli post, Post Senior Engineer Gatel TC and TM Grade E2 Santaligi post, Post Senior Engineer Boiler Operations Grade E2 Lightly post, Post Senior Officer Fire and Safety Grade E2 Santaligi post, Post Senior Engineer Civil Grade E2 Arthaligi post, Post Senior Officer CNP Grade E2 Southaligi post, Post Senior Officer BIS Grade E2 Santaligi post, Post Senior Officer Marketing Grade E2 Nyautaliki post, Post Senior Officer HR Grade E2 Prathaliki post, Post Senior Officer Finance and Accounts Grade E2 Laitaliki post, Post Senior Officer CC Grade E2 Arthaliki post, Post Engineer Instrumentation Grade E2, Post Officer Laboratory Grade E1 Laitaliki post, Post Officer Official Language Grade E1 Arthaliki post, Post Senior Superintendent Hindi Grade S7 KAWEI post, Post Senior Accountant Grade S7 Arthaliki post, Post Senior Superintendent HR Grade S7 KAWEI post, Post Senior Chemist Grade S7 KAWEI post, Post Foreman Electrical Grade S5 KAWEI post, Post Foreman Mechanical Grade S7 Arthaliki post, Post Foreman Instrumentation Grade S7 KAWEI post. Ki applicant baro can have an apply tanglang baka online mode, ki candidate OBC NCL can have an siu, ka application fee ka basyong dor ars pa tingka, ki SC, ki ST, PWBD candidate kim dun ka siu ka application fee, ki applicant can have an apply online na ka balit siya ka website www.gail1.com, bat ka tarik haddo ban register online kan long ha ka santarik urisa October ahja R4R. Matip companya let check our website www.gail1.com. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited ONGC ka online application na ki candidate ki badan ka kadanjing puliban pandap ya ka post ka balad bat ka post ka long ka post assistant legal advisor khat sautali ki post hendrautali ki post ki long unreserved line na ka bantay ki OBC line na ka bantay ki SC but na ka bantay ki economically weaker section. Kerta kababiang hapo ka live hoturik unay tung July ahja R4R ka long live host nem. Kerta penjelan on priang tanah kabentay ki OBC, SC, ST bat ki PWD. Kajing yo kan long haka P scale E1 level 100,000 hadu shilak prapohajar ship nai. Kiba apply ki de benlong kiba pendap ka bachelor's degree haka law professional bomdunai kan 100%. Ki candidate kiba dan ka mon ba ka danjing puli kin happen apply online da ka balet ka website www.ongindia.com. Ki applicant baro kin habro ban siyo ka application fee ka basyong dor lais pa tingka bat tangki SC, ST, PWBD kim don ka ban siyo ka application fee. Katarik haddo ban register kan long haka laiterik urisa October ahja R4R matip company pin haban let ka website www.ongindia.com. Ka National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development nabat ka khod online application na ki candidate ki bade ki nong chung ka riban pandap ye ki post ki balad bat ki post ki long ka post development assistant chispa nyo politely ki post prapotli ki post ki long unreserved at poe na ka bantay ki SC khatway na ka bantay ki ST sa punru na ka bantay ki OBC bat khatsantli ki post na ka bantay ki economically weaker section. Kerta kababiang hapo ka shitrik unay Lord September ahja R4R kan long hapadeng ka R4 bat live sans nem. kiba apply ki de ben long kiba pendap ek bachelor's degree ne ki recognized university bam dunai ka san 4%. Ka post development assistant Hindi South li ki post, LAIT li ki post long unreserved but KAWEI na ka bentai ki ST. Kerta ka babiang HAPOH ka shitrik unai lur September arhaja APPELLATE kan long hapadeng ka APPELLATE but life sans nem. Dan ka mai ki candidate ki bala pendap ka bachelor's degree ha ka English lani Hindi medium lemat ka English lani Hindi kum ka compulsory subject bom tunai ka san 4%. Lani ki bala ban apply ki dedu ki candidate ki bala pendap ka bachelor's degree lemat ka English but Hindi kum ka main subject bom tunai ka san 4%. Ki candidate ki badai na ki SC, ST, PWBD bal ki ex-serviceman ki ba dunai ka san 4% ru ki la ban apply. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon baga kadan jing puli ki la ban apply online na ka balej ka website www.nabat.org ki tarik khado ban register online kan long ha ka ship ho tarik urisa October arhaja APPELLATE. Ka Food Corporation of India FCI ka code application na ki candidate ki badane ka kadan jing puli ban pendap ki post ki balaj bat ki post ki long ka post junior engineer civil engineering khandai tali ki post a naughty zone ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pendap ek degree haka line civil engineering lani ki applicant ki bala pendap ek diploma haka line civil engineering lambat ka experience ka bashis nem ru ki laban apply ka post junior engineer electrical and mechanical LAIT li ki post a naughty zone ki ba apply ki deban long ki bala pendap ek degree haka line electrical engineering lani degree haka mechanical engineering lani diploma haka electrical engineering lambat ka experience ka bashis nem Lani ki bala ban apply ki dedu ki candidate ki bala pendap ek diploma ha ka mechanical engineering lamat ka experience ka bashis nem. Ka post steno grade 2 santali ki post a naughty zone ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap ek graduation but ki applicant ki dedu ban long ki ba step ban type kung ba sapo kuntin ha ka shimminute ha ka computer typing but proper kuntin ha ka shimminute ha ka shorthand. Ka post assistant grade 3 general san politely ki post a naughty zone dan kami ki candidate ki bala pendap ek graduation degree ha ka noga line na ki recognized university lambat ka jingnang penpendun kami ka computer ka post assistant grade 3 accounts sapotali ki post a naughty zone kerta ka babiang kan long arpunyo snem ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap ek bachelor's degree ha ka commerce na ki recognized university lambat ka jingnang jintip ha ki kam computer ka post assistant grade 3 technical sapo pratili ki post a naughty zone ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap ek BSc agriculture na ki recognized university lane ki bala pendap ek BSc ha ka botany lane zoology lane biotechnology lane biochemistry lane microbiology lane biochemistry lane microbiology lane food science na ki recognized university ru ki la ban apply lane ki bala ban apply ki de ki candidate ki bala pendap ek BTech lane BE ha ka food science lane food science and technology lane agricultural engineering lane biotechnology lane ki recognized university lane ki institution bala approved like AICTE ki applicant ki de ban long ki bandang batip chapang ki kam computer ka post assistant grade 3 deport sandle ki post a naughty zone karta ka babiang kan long arpunyo snem ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap ek graduation ha ka noga line na ki recognized university lambat ka jinan jing tip ha ki kam computer ka post assistant grade 3 Hindi kan artli ki post a naughty zone karta ka babiang kan long arpu prasnem ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap ek bachelor's degree ha ka Hindi honors ki applicant ki de ban long ki bandang ye ka tin phareng but can translate ki applicant ki de ban long ki bala pendap ek diploma lane ka certificate course bamdunai ka shisnam ha ka translation na ka content Hindi she content phareng lane na content phareng she content Hindi ne ki universities lane ki institution bala recognized the government of India karta panjlan on priantang na ka bantai ki OBC SC ST but PWD ki candidate can have an apply tang lang ba ka online mode na ka balej she ka website www.fci.gov.in ki applicant can have roban COE ka application fee ka bashang dor sans pa tingka tanki SC ST PWBD ki ex serviceman bat ki candidate can thai kim don government COE ka application fee ka tarik khado ban prangin ka application kan long ha ka san tarik urisa October arhaja APPELLATE matip company phina ban let check a website www.fci.gov.in parlok nong pet kitu kilong ki KHUBOR lai kam hangane ka por bat ngai kermen bermun ra sha phi ki KHUBOR lai kam hangane ka tayo ka bansawan ya menta na ka darshin kan na shlong ai khubli phi ba ka tayo ka bhai phi bara